All right, everyone, here we are with another video with Invest for tomorrow. To all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. And to all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video and to stay tuned on in towards the second half of the video, guys. Right after this chart analysis, I have a ticker symbol to share with you guys to go ahead and expand your opportunities, and I'm going to share with you guys the ticker symbols we mentioned this morning over at the Discord, giving us both home run opportunities, 20% plus one of them, and the other one 10 to 20%. Stay tuned for that information, and if that's something that interests you, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description. We look forward to having you join us over at the Discord, and by joining, you'll gain access to all the opportunities that await you. So, Ocgn stock. So this stock was sitting sideways, right? In the pre-market, it jumped, sitting sideways, and took off, guys, giving a 10 to 20% opportunity today alone. Now, from yesterday to today, it's picked up some traction. This seems to have been the bottom, and it was the lowest point we've seen this stock in any of the bearish movements, and the stock right now has picked up some momentum. Now, the 50-day moving average is 789. Anything above it is bullish, anything below it is bearish. Now, we got some things to look at here, and we're going to talk about the biggest bearish case all the way to the bullish case. So the biggest bearish case is that it breaks through 789, and the next support level would be 775. So you want to keep that in mind. That's the lowest point before the run, breaking through the 50-day moving average and reaching the highs that we're about to talk about. So very important to keep that in mind. Worst case scenario, and also 789. Watch that carefully. Now, the first support in bullish territory is up here, and that is 818. Anything below that is getting one step closer for the bears to gain control. So you want to watch between 818 and 789 if the bulls are trying to reappear in bullish territory and bring it back up, or if the bears are tearing this one down fairly fast. Now, it's currently sitting at 851, and right now it's kind of battling. It's like a tug of war, right? It looks like it's consolidating or almost like it wants to take off. We're going to have to see. But the next resistance level beyond right here, 854, is right up here at 865. That's the highest point reached in the day, the highest point since this bottom and momentum upwards. So 865 needs to be broken through by the bulls, turn into a support so they can reach newer highs and new resistance levels. If you learned something new, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell so you don't miss a single video that I post, and let's jump right into the ticker symbol you want to add to your watch list, as well as the two great opportunities that we caught today over at the Discord this morning. Stay tuned for that, and if you want to join, the link is down below in the description. So the ticker symbol I have for you guys today is one that I've mentioned before on the Patreon as well as here on the YouTube channel towards the second half of the videos. And we're going to look at the chart together in just a moment to see how the opportunity is presenting itself. But it's definitely one you want to have on your watch list if you don't have it already. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the ticker symbols I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if it's something that interests you, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description, and we look forward to having you join us. Now, by joining, you'll gain access to all the opportunities that await you. So we talked about TELL, LAIX, SOS, and DOGZ. Now, DOGZ gave us 10% right off the bell. It jumped up pretty fast, and then it started to fall, picked up some steam again, giving a second opportunity of 5 to 10%, but this was very volatile and moving really fast. SOS collapsed, and I'm not a big fan of hype stocks, but I wanted to watch it with caution because it was the highest one with volume that morning. It collapsed and it bounced back, but it didn't give much. It was about between 5 to 8% so far. Now, LAIX and TELL were our home runs of the day. We caught TELL at $4 and LAIX at $174. Now, where I see these stocks or start watching them or where they're currently sitting has nothing to do with where to enter or exit. It's just when I started watching it, but it is an indicator to watch and see where it's going. Now, LAIX, we caught it at 174 in the pre-market. It fell down a little bit, hitting lows here of 175, 176, and it hit a high here of 224 within just minutes, guys, giving us 20% plus opportunity in just minutes of the day. Just 30 minutes, that's all it took. This had very low volume. We caught it at 500,000 in volume, And for the day so far, it has 14 million in volume, guys. And the average volume is 1 million. So that tells you everything, guys. This was phenomenal. It's all about execution and timing. Now, the second one was TELL, right? TELL. We caught it at $4. And this is a stock that actually took a little bit of a different approach. You couldn't just jump into it that fast like we saw LAIX do. Now, this is a stock that collapsed after $4. And it hit lows here of 358 and then hit a high here of 413. So that gave us a 15 to 20% opportunity. And I stated it. I will watch for inflow to continue going up, or if weakness is presented in the charts. And weakness did present itself. This is where patience, dedication, discipline comes into play, and execution and timing is everything. So we had two great ones today, 2 home runs. And if this is something that interests you, like I stated, the link is down below in the description, and we look forward to having you join us. But what's the ticker symbol you want to add to your watch list now? Well, it is PaySafe. Okay, I don't know if you guys have heard of it before, but PaySafe is in a position where it's been falling, certainly today and for the last several days, right? We've seen this one pulling downwards after hitting a high here of 1269. It's just been falling, and the most recent low was 1009. So the closer this gets to $10, the more interesting. And in this weakness, I'd be watching it going towards the end of this week, maybe even going towards the beginning of next week to see what's going on. But this stock is definitely an opportunity in the long run if you do your research, you do your due diligence, and understand what sector it is in. And by knowing this information, you will be better equipped to understand and make a rational decision yourself. This is not financial advice. I'm just here to share with you guys and enlighten you guys opportunities that are presenting themselves in the market. And this is definitely a stock that you definitely want to do more research on and due diligence to understand moving forward how big of an opportunity this is and where it sits. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.